Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute an Instagram account. Sometimes we come across accounts that we want to follow, but don't necessarily want to see all their posts and stories. Or maybe we want to mute an account temporarily for personal reasons. Whatever the case may be, muting an Instagram account is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone and go to the profile of the account you want to mute. Next, tap on the bell icon next to the three dots menu on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a menu where you can manage the notifications you receive from that account. Make sure to disengage every option, including posts, stories, and IGTV. This will ensure that you don't receive any notifications from that account. If you also want to turn off notifications for when the account goes live, make sure to switch the Goes Live option to turn off all notifications. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily mute an Instagram account. You will still be following the account, but you won't receive any notifications or see their posts and stories on your feed. Muting an Instagram account can be a great way to manage your social media experience and ensure that you only see content that you're interested in. Don't let unwanted notifications get in the way of enjoying Instagram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.